precious natural landscapes are under constant threat, the need for advanced technology to protect and monitor them has never been greater. Introducing Geo Lands Doctor, a revolutionary geofencing technology combined with change detection tracking. Geo Lands Doctor utilizes cutting-edge geospatial data and satellite imagery to create virtual boundaries known as geofences. These geofences are established around designated areas such as forests, lands, and wildlife reserves. Once the geofences are in place, the system's change detection tracking comes into play. This technology constantly monitors the designated areas for any changes, both subtle and significant. Whether it's the growth of vegetation, changes in land elevation, or alterations to the natural environment, Geo Lands Doctor is designed to detect and analyze these changes in real time. But that's not all. Geo Lands Doctor serves as a guardian against encroachment, intruder movement, and trespassers. The moment an unauthorized entry is detected within the geofenced areas, the system triggers instant alerts to the concerned authorities. This proactive approach allows swift response to potential threats. Geo Lands Doctor acts as an extra layer of security for our lands and forests, safeguarding them from illegal activities and preserving their natural beauty for generations to come. With Geo Lands Doctor, we're not just protecting the environment, we're creating a safer, more sustainable world. Together, let's embrace technology to nurture and safeguard the wonders of our planet. Geo Lands Doctor, guarding nature through innovation. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about how Geo Lands Doctor is revolutionizing lands and forests monitoring and protection.